everybody, I'm Leon. Welcome to another video. I make content every day focused on video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if those are your interests, then be sure to subscribe with a bell on. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to download and use iSpring screen recorder. So without wasting any of your time, let's jump into it. Okay everyone, so this is the official iSpring FreeCam download website. So just click the free download button and essentially just enter your email. So I'm going to mine, full name, and I don't want to leak my fucking phone number, so I'm going to cut this part out. And as you can see, they've just sent me a download link via email, so I'm going to go to my email right now. And as you can see, there's the link to the actual software, so just click on it. And essentially, just let it download. Okay, so the software has been downloaded, and this is the setup wizard you'll be greeted with. So just click install and let it install again. And as you can see, iSpring has been installed. Now I'm going to launch it and actually show you how to use it, as that's the other thing I'm supposed to be doing in this video. Okay, so this is the interface you are greeted with when you first load up iSpring Cam Pro. And as you can see, you go between things like new recording and new project, and you obviously have video tutorials as well. You just come to new recording, and essentially you can just drag the box across the screen to choose where you essentially want to record. And you can even add a web camera. I would turn mine on. I would turn my camera on, but I'm currently shirtless, so you know I don't want to. Yeah, and you can choose between your microphone and your dimensions preset, and obviously your recording area. And oh yeah, and you can also just record with your webcam as well. And if you want, just click on this red button here as well to start your recording, and essentially it's just going to record your screen essentially. And as you can also see, it's got some sort of built-in video editor in with it, so you can obviously edit your screen recordings before you either upload them to whatever, or decide to edit them in an actual video editing software such as Premiere or Final Cut. And yeah, that's basically it. And that is how you download and use iSpring Screen Recorder. If this video was valuable to you, then be sure to subscribe with a bell on for more videos. Leave a thumbs up and share the video around to help it rank in search results and help the channel grow. And leave any questions or feedback in the comments section, or pop me a message at leonofficial_17. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care everybody.